welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole and welcome to Vlogmas. So as you can tell by the title in today's video, I will be cleaning my apartment. It literally needs it. I have my sheets already cleaned, washed. I just need to put them back on my bed. I also have literal junk over there. I have dishes in the sink. I have dishes in the dishwasher, right? Yes, I have a dishwasher that I need to run, actually. That's kind of embarrassing. But yeah, I also have clothes on the floor. And like I said, my sheets are in here that I need to stack. I also have clothes in the basket right there that needs to be washed. I also just really want to clean my bathroom and mop the floor and everything because the next video will finally be decorating for Christmas and I would love a clean, clear canvas to do that. And I'm so excited to take the Thanksgiving lights down. I just noticed they're still up. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. Okay, I'm starting with laundry because I have no more clean towels and I can't take a shower. There's literally nothing worse than getting off of work and not being able to take a shower. Okay, I just made my apartment look a little worse for the thumbnail. Okay. I didn't just cheat the thumbnail. This mess was actually already here. I just moved it all together so you can see more of it in the thumbnail. But yeah, so I have clothes laying on the floor that I need to wash, but while the washing machine is going, I think I'm going to, I'll wash my blankets tonight too. I think I'm going to start with the dishes and I have my oven on because I also want to make some dinner. I'm starving, so I'm doing multiple different things at one time. You know what? We're going to time lapse this.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing sissy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might mystify. Fuck a night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag. You know she wasn't mine when she tattooed that ass. I'm a lover boy, she love the toys. Keep it coming, you a rider. This that roll myself a day and count my figure shit. This that stepping out, I feel like I'm that nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit.
I can't decide if I want to keep the Hello Fall or go with that because, I mean, technically it's still fall, but I don't know. I think I should be transitioning into like wintry type decor, like getting rid of this. But also I could just save that for my decorating video, so that's what I think I'm going to do. I'm leaving the Hello Fall up so it can look like that, and I'm putting this one up, and I'm also leaving this blanket here. And I really love this blanket, like the color of it. I think my fall decor was so much better this year than any other year. It was more subtle and more minimalistic and just not too much. Like I think last year I had pumpkins or something like that, right? But I didn't have that this year. Look at these Polaroid pictures that I found from my trip to Cincinnati. So cute. My burritos are done now, which is great because I really needed / wanted a break. I'm kind of tired. And this is what they're looking like. I think I'm gonna let them sit just a little bit longer because I like mine to be golden. So I'm gonna let it sit, but like with the door open. I don't know if that will change anything. In the meantime, this is what we have so far. And I think I can go ahead and put my shoes up because that's super easy. And those Converse go in there, so that's super easy. And maybe I'll start straightening this table or this area. Yeah, I'll tackle this area. I don't remember which shoes this came in, so I'm just going to assume these. I just sat here and ripped up all this trash that literally means nothing to me. I honestly hate all of the junk mail, like companies, businesses, whatever send out. It is so annoying to receive that in the mail. Like it's honestly it has to be one of the top 10 most annoying things ever is that and spam calls, spam text messages. So annoying. But you know what else is annoying? I went to Family Dollar the other day and I got new trash bags because I was out. And I got I normally get like the mini ones. I didn't know they were this tiny. This is a grocery bag. So now I have to return that one because I bought 2 of them. And they were actually pretty expensive because it was Family Dollar instead of Dollar Tree. So I'm going to return those and switch them out for bigger ones. But for now, I will deal with the one. Actually, no, I'm going to return the other one. I'm returning both of them, but I will deal with this one and I will be stuffing all of the mail that I just ripped up in there. I'm not gonna lie, it is a lot later now and I'm making progress. The dishwasher is still going, I think. I put the clothes that were in the washing machine in the dryer and then put more clothes in the washing machine. I also kind of straightened this table a little bit more. It still looks a little messy, but I don't know why. Hold on. I know this mirror doesn't go here, but I kind of like it here because I like being able to look at myself from my bed. Also, this is my pajama shirt that I'm going to put on as soon as the dryer stops and I can get a washcloth and a towel. How many more days could I wait? And I won't let it fall through. It is hours later now. I have on a face mask. I also took my shower and I unloaded the dryer. There's something else in the dryer now. The dishes are clean, but they need to be put up. The dishwasher stopped and I need to unload that. And yeah. The very last part, or very last part, meaning the floor. I need to sweep the floor, which is what I'm about to do now, and then I can mop. Okay, so this is what the front of the door looks like before I mop. And this is after, and honestly I'm just so surprised it didn't look worse than that, because for my job I literally spend so much time like outside, so I try to take my shoes off right by the door, which is why that's the worst looking spot in my apartment. But yeah, so now I'm going to mop all of the floors. I'm done mopping the floor. And that's always very quick for me. It's a very quick process because I'm in a studio apartment. Yeah, so I'm done doing that. And I took, like I said, the clothes out of the dryer. Honestly, I definitely would have left these clothes in the dryer if my blankets, if I didn't wash that last, because I needed to dry that and this was in the way. So if it weren't for that, these clothes would have definitely still been in the dryer and I would have just been pulling clothes from the dryer. And I'm so excited to actually decorate my apartment tomorrow in a clean apartment. Also, in case I didn't mention, it is 3 a.m. It is 3:07 right now. Clock still hasn't been changed because of time change, but it's 3:07, not 4:07. Okay, I kind of can't believe I'm up this late cleaning up, but also I can because I am the biggest procrastinator, or not the biggest, just like a huge procrastinator. So I'm not surprised that it's taken me this long to get everything done, and it shouldn't have taken this long. My apartment's not that big. It's normally a very quick process, but also I'm filming, so that always slows me down. All right, I am finally done. Yes, the dryer is still running with my, my blanket. So once that dries, I am 100% done. That is the trash bags that I want to take back tomorrow. So that's why that's on the door. So ignore that. But yes, I am completely done. Everything is spotless. The floors are mopped. I am so excited about this. The countertops are wiped. The stove is clean. This water bottle I am drinking right now, don't mind that. But yes, everything else is so clean and I love it. And now I am so excited to be going to sleep and to be ending this vlog. Thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully this inspired you or encouraged you to clean your area if that's something you need to do. But thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Should I rinse this face mask off? I legitimately cannot. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all right back here tomorrow with another video. Bye guys.